Hey everyone! Today we are gonna be making, drum roll please, no drums, bun roll please. Eh, this is 蛮到了. Come closer, closer. Burnt cheesecake, burnt cheesecake, everybody loves it, yay! A little bit more of an explanation, stay with me. Before we start, the cream cheese, make sure that it's at room temperature. And also the cream and your eggs, you want it to be room temperature. This is really important to get a really good burnt cheesecake creamy texture. So, before we start, you all know what you gotta do. Preheat this oven up. Yeah. Let's get it started and now, let's get it started. Yeah. So, let's begin. Here I have my room temperature cream cheese, which I left out about 30 minutes or so. And I'm using icing sugar in this recipe that is sifted, by the way, because it's like powder and it takes, what's wrong with my English? It takes like no effort at all to just cream it in, and it takes a really short while. And next I'm just going to use the whisk in replacement because we have to, well, whisk in the eggs later. This will take a really short while to cream in. We are not incorporating air, by the way. Next, you want to put in your cream and your flour, making sure that the flour has no lumps with the cream, so you get a really nice, well mixed burnt cheesecake creaminess. Just whisk this for a short while and keep it aside. Then next, you want to put in your pandan paste. But if you want the original burnt cheesecake, no problem. Just replace it with vanilla essence lah. Very easy one. Then next you want to put in your, I have cream cheese on my finger. Let me wash that off first. Next you want to put, Dumbo, put it in the eggs first. Put in the eggs one at a time. And then you want to whisk it up till it's well combined. Ooh, that rhymes. And then you just want to repeat this step, one after the other. Then you add your next eggs like that. Cream it together nicely. We are not incorporating any air. Just so you know, let me repeat that. You do not want to incorporate air into your burnt cheesecake. The last step is adding your pre-mixed double cream and flour. Just cream this in together for just a short while till it's well combined, and that's all. Actually that's not all. I forgot the lime. Dumbo. You want to put about a teaspoon of lime or lemon juice. I'm supposed to usually use lemon, but I only had lime, so yep, now we are really done. Good. Let's go get our tin. Okay, here we have our 6-inch round tin. It's about 4 inches in height. And I'm using a really big, large baking paper. That's what you want to use as well, so that, you got enough space to cut it about 2 inches in height above the tip of the baking tin. Oh my god, there's so much words in one sentence. I'm tired of talking. Just cut the tips off nicely like that. As you can see, I'm a bit chin-shy, but never mind. It doesn't have to be perfect. Burnt cheesecake ain't no beauty queen. Then you just want to put in your burnt cheesecake batter like so till it's all full. And then cut one last more. Bang it down till all the air bubbles go out. And then we're ready to bake. Bake it at 240 degrees Celsius, about 30 minutes. I already prepared one that's chilling in the fridge overnight, but when it does come out of the oven, you want to make sure it wobbles like this. Wobble jiggle jiggle. And set it aside to cook for 30 minutes before chilling in the fridge. So this is already really very chilled. So it's quite stiff and easy to come out of the tin, but it's really gonna be so creamy and good. Just a tip, if you want it more of a molten kind of texture, you just bake it about 2 minutes less, and then you have that more molten-ish layer, but make sure that you do chill it really, really cold, overnight at least. So next, we just want to take it out of the baking paper like so, and there, voila, the beautiful little Pandan burnt cheesecake. And then I'm just going to clear out the table as usual because I just want it to look nice a bit. Cut a nice decent size, and voila, that is it. Yum yum yum. It is that simple. This is the all beloved burnt cheesecake. Such a simple thing to make, and yet it has so much impact. Let me give this a try. So good. Yum. You know, the thing I love about Pandan is that it is like the vanilla of Malaysia. Vanilla of Malaysia. Anyway, I really hope that you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. No need for mixers. This is my basic baking recipes, and I'll see you in my next video. I usually leave the plate here, but I'm taking this one because it's just too good. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you did enjoy that. And if you did, please do subscribe pressing the button below and follow my social media links stated somewhere here. If you have any suggestions for future videos, you can comment below. I hope to see you in my next one. So, see you later, alligator. Outro music. Da, 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 yeah.